Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can connect your Instagram Reels to Facebook, so let's get right into it. Now, you can do this in a couple of different ways. However, mostly what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go into your account, access your account settings in the top right, and you're going to go into the account center, and you're going to have to connect two profiles, your Instagram account and your Facebook account. Once you try to share something, it will offer you to share it immediately to Facebook as well, if you have a fresh installation of Instagram. However, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to connect the two in the account center anyway. Now, once you did do so, you can share them very easily between the two accounts. And if I, for example, go and create a reel, start recording something, record some, I don't know, blank video, go next, and then go next again. Once you scroll down on this screen, you'll see the audience, and below this, you'll also see the also share on option. Once you're here, you can just easily select which account you would like to share the reel on, and it'll prompt you if you want to enable it for all the reels you post in the future or just for this reel. In this case, I would select just for this reel, but I don't have a Facebook account connected. But yeah, once you connect it, you can just click share, and that's going to appear on your Facebook account as well, which you've connected through the account center. And that is pretty much it. Alternatively, you can just go into your account and go into your Reels section, select whichever reel you want, tap the share button, and then share it to Facebook directly. However, if you want to connect the two, then easily you just have to go and connect the two through the account center, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.